Hi y'all, welcome to Cooking with Momma Tracy. Valentine's Day is coming up soon, so why not bake? Today, we're going to be showing you how to make some awesome peanut butter Reese Cup cookies. So let's get started. The ingredients are half a cup of butter or margarine softened, a half a cup of peanut butter, a half a cup of sugar, a half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/4 cups of flour, give or take, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 24 yummy miniature Reese peanut butter cups. You're gonna preheat the oven to 375. Next, you're gonna wanna do all your wet ingredients first, and then do your dry ingredients last. I've had this sit out for about 10 minutes to get a little bit softened, so that would really help for your baking. So there's your margarine, and then next you're gonna whip some peanut butter. About a half a cup to almost 3/4 cups. I put the salt in here. We're ready for the flour. Now we're ready for the flour mixture. Do not dump all of it one, you will have a huge mess. It will just fly everywhere. Really good. Your dough should not be that sticky. See? Look, I'm indenting it. Look right here. I'm indenting it. Nothing on my fingers. That is very important. Some people have sticky doughs. It will not rise. And some people have too hard of dough. The texture is everything to when you bake. So this texture here is perfect for rolling. It's just, it came out really good. It came out perfect. Here's your dough. This is what it's supposed to look like. It is nice. See how I was able to indent that? That is really good dough. Okay, next, you're gonna line up miniature sized cups, which are here. I use decorative ones for Valentine's Day. I have red with little hearts, okay? If you decide, say you don't have the miniature cups, that's okay, you can still make these. Say, oh, you don't have to make a special trip to go get miniature cups because you're out. Only thing I highly suggest is spray a little bit of a Pam on here and then go ahead and do your go and then go ahead and make them. But anyway, we have the cups today. I use wax paper to get these rolling into a ball shape. You are gonna use about 1/4, which I already have, cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, and you're gonna now roll a ball, I'm gonna show you, and put it in the sugar, and then you put it in your cup. This is a teaspoon. Roll it. That looks like a perfect size. These are ready to go in 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes. It all depends on your oven, okay? So we're gonna watch them in about 8 minutes and take a peek. You want them to rise up and get a little golden brown and start, you'll see, like cracking a little bit. So you'll see in about a minute, 10 minutes. Oh, they're starting to crack. Are they brown? Come here. Yeah, they look brown. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. These cooked around 11 minutes, and now we're gonna put these in. Yes, I had one little accident on that one. As I was taking it out of the oven, I accidentally smushed it. But accidents happen. Nobody's perfect. And there you have it. They just got out of the oven. Let them cool for about 2 minutes and they're ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe and tune in for the next cooking and baking with Momma Tracy.